Hello, so if you want to add event to calendar in your ASUS Zenfone 6, for the first, of course, you have to open calendar. So in our case, it is Google Calendar. And now you have to click here on this marker, click again on the event. And for the first, you have to add title. And next you have to set up other settings like date. You have also add location, notification, change color, add descriptions. So do what you want, and if you do, of course, press here on the save. And as you can see, this is our event. So thank you for watching. Leave likes, subscriptions and comments below.